Hey everyone, my name is Sayyid Atawla. I'm a BBA graduate and I did BBA in my graduation in majorly in finance and operations. And after doing my BBA, I got placed in Bank of America as a financial transactionist. And then I got to know about the data science new domain. I started looking out some courses on websites, different websites. There I got to know more about data science, how business are using data to transform, to making their decision making for these businesses. So, which really kind of inspiration for me because they are using data to make some future decisions. So it's a really good of doing something new out of data. I love inspecting things basically. So that was my first job basically that I have chosen data science journey. I was going through different websites searching data science courses, but the fees actually the pay for that particular courses are very high amount. I mean, really, it's a 2 lakh, 1.5 lakhs, and 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. The reason why I have chosen Alma Better, they have a pay after placement support. So I thought of taking Alma Better's course, and even I have taken a demo also. I really like the part that they have taken a very simple part also with the 2 hours lectures. I really got a good understanding of Alma Better. In my perspective, students do not feel the study burden because if they think about the expenses, the money, they can't put down the entire concentration on studies. So they have to overcome those burdens because these are the phases for students. They have to be in a path of learning. That was the reason because they don't have to feel that burden of money during their studies. What is very well designed in Alma. I can say it helped me in my journey. Like I wanted to be in a position. So in that position, that I needed the resources, I needed a guidance, I needed a support. So I got everything from the Alma Beta. So I give credits to the Alma Beta. Since I'm working, so I was not having the time of live lectures. So I was a student who had gone through the pre-recorded videos. I can say it's a really great experience because we were having no time limit that we have to complete a particular thing in a particular time bound. So we don't have that particular time bounds in our during our journey. So yeah, I really like our mentors. I really like the curriculum. To be honest, yeah, they teach a small, a simple concepts also in 2 hours. So it make your basics to be strong. So I really like that. Yeah, absolutely. It helped me a lot because I have a good understanding of how the data the companies are using in the form of models, in the form of model building to take out of something from that model building, out of that model building using data. It really given a understanding how do we transform data. So the approach, any decision making, what would be the approach? Yeah, this would be I learned a lot. It's pretty much helped to me because I'm from a management background. I do not learn Python actually. I didn't learn. I learned finance, operations, marketing. So these are the fields that I have been from. I was worried. I was scared of learning Python technical skills. But after 7 or 8 videos or 8 days, I thought of yes, I can do it. So that was my inspiration. That wasn't too tough actually. This was made by Alma Beta's mentors, Vikas Srivastava. He really gone through in a simple manner. If you really want something in your life, just do committed to that work. Suppose you have chosen Alma Beta's data science program, any program. So just do your commitment to that particular course and just do work diligently and don't procrastinate things because that was really affected me. So then my suggestion would be don't procrastinate, just do things diligently and try to complete in that time.